I love you, 508.
You up to something, girl, this ain't no assumption. I thought you was my blessing, girl, you is not my lover. This ain't working out, no. This ain't working out, no. Cause what you need, I got. Come through, baby, spin that block. Go to war, baby, send some shots. I know things ain't the way that it should be, not at all. The way that it should be. Oh girl, not okay, our love, yeah, it must stop. One time, baby, one job. I was trying to get you back home, but you was still standing by that bus stop. 90s girl, but you love pop. Heavy metal, yeah, you love rock. All these things that I shouldn't know got me thinking how the hell I love stop. But you know that these sheets so cold, and you know that you need what I got. Girl, as long as a nigga like me and your phone can't nobody be what we got. Okay, you got cool with my pops. OJ, I got cool with the rock. Sensei, I got cool with the chop. It's for all them cold ass nights on the block. And we might go to Sunday service, girl, you way too nervous. You got confessions, girlie, I hope it's worth it. This ain't working out, no. This ain't working out, no. And we might go to Sunday service, girl, you way too nervous. You got confessions, girlie, I hope it's worth it. This ain't working out, no. This ain't working out, no.
I love you, 508.